Good morning, Restore Church. It's Jordan Taylor here, your youth pastor. And as always, there is a lot of stuff going on here at Restore Church. So let's dive on in to see what's happening in this week's rNews.
The process for making our campground here at Restore Church has begun, which means it's time for you to register for the Bonfire, the family bonfire. It's this coming Friday, October 7th. Registration is on the screen right now and it's online. Pastor Jordan wanted to do the announcement, but I've got him making fire pits and we've got Sean and Dahlia digging. We're putting together 10 little fire pits out here for you. Bring your own hot dogs. We'll provide all the marshmallow supplies, all the s'more supplies that you need. But we can't wait to get together as families and enjoy this amazing property, this amazing space, and burn some stuff.
Finances is a huge part of all of our lives. But the unfortunate fact is a lot of us struggle to move forward in this aspect. If that's you or somebody that you know, why don't you check this out really quick?
What would happen if the people of God started handling money God's ways? Work too hard to get to the end of your life and have nothing to show for it.
This is my family's legacy that I'm talking about here. I've got to have a plan and be focused.
That knowledge that you pass down to your kids, that is how you change a family tree.
You change your life when you get sick and tired of being sick and tired. And you have that moment where you say, I've had it. I am not going to live like this anymore.
Financial Peace University is an incredible opportunity that we are going to be offering right here at Restore Church on Wednesday nights starting on October 19th. So if you or somebody in your life struggles to find peace in their finances, head on over to restorechurch.net and sign up today. Here at Restore Church, we have this thing called Kingdom Builders. And to put it simply, it's our strategic plan to help build the kingdom of God outside the four walls of Restore Church. We do this by giving back to local church expansion, global missions, and future Christian leaders. And speaking of future Christian leaders, all proceeds from our Kingdom Cafe this morning, October 2nd, are going directly to future Christian leaders by helping our students make it to YouthCon this year. YouthCon is a high-energy environment that's designed specifically for our students to be able to engage with the gospel in a fun and exciting way alongside their peers. So if you haven't gotten your coffee this morning, or if you already have, head on over to the Kingdom Cafe after service, grab coffee, a smoothie, a baked treat, and help our students get to YouthCon. And on top of this, on October 21st, we are having our Kingdom Builders Banquet. And when you purchase a ticket to join our Kingdom Builders Banquet, you're not simply purchasing a ticket for a meal or to have somebody come and entertain you or to give you any information. When you purchase a ticket for the Kingdom Builders Banquet, you're joining a community of others here at Restore Church who are actively trying to build the kingdom of God outside the four walls of Restore Church. So if you'd like to attend, head on over to restorechurch.net underneath our events tab and register today. And now it's time for this week's Difference Maker Shoutout. And this week's Difference Maker is Pat and Larry Dickinson. Pat and Larry serve in multiple capacities at Restore Church. They lead different R groups throughout the year, including Alpha. Larry serves on the executive team and helps with different projects around the campus. Pat serves in Kingdom Coffee. Pat and Larry also head up the Compassion International Initiative. We are super thankful for all that you do. You are truly difference makers.